piece of white felt to fit the bottom of the brick. You're going to glue it in place with tacky glue. The felt will prevent your brick snowman from scuffing surfaces. Step 2. Paint your brick white. Let your brick dry for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Step 3. Making a brim for your hat. With your large section of fabric, you're going to fold over a 1/2 inch section and you're going to glue that down. That will be the brim of your hat. Step 4. Glue on the hat. It helps to lay your brick down for this step. You're going to wrap the fleece rectangle around the top 1 to 2 inches of the brick and glue in place. Step 5. Add stuffing and make the hat topper. Add stuffing to fluff out the top of your hat. Use your yarn to tie the top closed. You're going to glue the hat seam closed from the brim to the yarn. Leave above the yarn open. Next, use your scissors to cut slits into the top of the hat to make a little palm fringe. Step 6. Thumbprint eyes. Dip your thumb into the blue paint and press your thumbprint on the brick to make 2 eyes. It's helpful if you have a paper plate so you can rub around the paint to get it evenly over your thumbprint. Step 7. Fingerprint mouth and buttons plus your nose. Dip a finger into the black paint and press your fingerprint to make a mouth and buttons for your snowman. Make sure to leave space between the mouth and buttons for your scarf. Glue your palm nose on the brick. Step 8. Making arms. Take 2 pipe cleaners and make a cross about 1/2 inch from the bottom of the longest pipe cleaner. Twist it closed like a twist tie and cut off any excess length. Repeat this step for the second arm. Step 9. Attaching the arms. After you've made your branch hands, bend the top of the pipe cleaner at a right angle. Glue the bent angle part to the side of the brick. Tip: you may need to hold it in place while the glue dries. Step 10. Adding the scarf. With your thin strip of fabric, wrap the scarf around the snowman and underneath the branch arms. The scarf should hug the part of the pipe cleaner glued to the brick and keep it in place. Once the glue dries, the arms will stick to the brick. Tie the scarf in a knot and glue the scarf in place around the brick. Step 11. Adding scarf fringe. With your scissors, cut 3 1-inch slits on both ends of the scarf. This will add a fringe to your scarf.